and yes guys, we just have made some profit. 30 seconds, and yes guys, another profitable deal. And yes guys, we just had our successful deal for today. Hi friends, my name's Anna, welcome back to my channel. So today, as always, as I'm always saying, I have a very exciting and special video for you. And today we're gonna talk about a very efficient and popular strategy that's called scalping. So if you want to find out more about this, stay tuned and keep watching. And actually, before we go into the main topic of the video today, I just wanted to remind you that I have my own Telegram channel. It's really cool and great, so I would really like you to join if you want to have some free signals, free strategies just from me, and you want to improve your trading skills. The link is going to be somewhere here or in the description, so make sure that you join. And if we are ready, and we are, I think we can get back to the main topic of the video. Okay, so our main thing for today is scalping. So I'm gonna just quickly in the beginning explain you what it is, and then we're gonna trade together, and in the process I'm gonna give you more details, advantages and disadvantages of this strategy. So basically, scalping is a really efficient strategy that is based on some simple elements and points. So point number one is that we use really short time frame. It's like 30 seconds or 1 minute. Sometimes it can be 5, but I think it's still considered a bit too long for this strategy. And the second point is that we use a really little amount of money. So basically, scalping is a strategy where we enter the deals in a moment where we can see that the price is gonna bounce back, and the trend of the price is gonna change just for a really short period of time. And this is when we enter again for a really quick amount of time and get some profit. That's again, it's not going to be a really big profit because we're not like bidding a lot of money over here, because it can be a bit risky. Yeah, so if you want to find out more about this and you just want to see how it's working, let's go and trade together right now. As always, we're choosing at first the assets with the biggest payouts, as many as possible, just so we can switch between them and have a variety. We're using candles for 30 seconds. Make sure that you enable all the settings over here. Yeah, and our time frame for today is gonna be just 30 seconds, and I think I'm gonna start with like $100 for today, because we're not supposed to again enter trades in a big way. So let's have a look at our assets and choose the best one for scalping strategy over here. So for now, it seems like the price is probably gonna go down in this 30 seconds that we have, but this candle is kind of wavering. We can see that we have a resistance zone over here. Yeah, and the market is trying to break through it, but I think it's actually highly unlikely over here, although it's trying. And we have our next candle that's doing the same. So I think we're gonna sell from now on. Yeah, we have just 30 seconds. Yeah, we found the perfect moment to enter the trade. We can see that the price, so the general trend is growing, but after reaching the resistance zone over here, the price is definitely bouncing back. So I think it's a secure and profitable deal. And yes guys, we just have made some profit using this strategy. So let's go on, and I'm gonna keep telling you more about this. Let's pay attention to this asset. So the price has been growing, but I'm pretty sure that in a 30 seconds that we have in our time frame, we're gonna have a bit of a compensation, a bit of a bounce back, especially judging by this long wick of a candle over here. And for now, it seems like everything goes right as expected. Yeah, so oh my god, this time frame for 30 seconds, and yes guys, another profitable deal using this compensation bounce back. So you see that after this the price is still keep growing. So this is why scalping is a strategy that's a bit risky, so you should use it if you really understand the technical analysis and just some basic stuff that's going on the market. Yeah, so let's keep looking. For now it seems like the general trend of the price is growing, but I'm gonna sell over here, and yeah, I'm thinking that although this trend is pretty strong, I think the price is gonna drop up until to this level. But as I said, this strategy can be a bit risky, and so maybe for now this one is not gonna be winning. Although yeah, this one wasn't a successful one, guys, unfortunately. Yeah, so this is what you should definitely understand about scalping, is that sometimes you just have to be in the right mood, and you should definitely have a control over your emotions. And you know, scalping is a strategy that suggests that you make decisions really quickly, and sometimes if you're just not in the right mood, or if you don't really if you didn't really figure it out the whole situation on the asset in the moment, you can have some losses. So just make sure that when you use this strategy, you're like completely sure that the price is gonna have a bounce back, a compensation, or it's gonna keep going in this in its trend motion. Okay, we're not gonna stop over here, and we're just gonna keep trading. Okay guys, let's make sure that we have a winning deal over here right now, just to compensate the loss that we had over here. Maybe not compensate, but at least yeah. So I'm gonna sell over here. Again, a bit of a risky situation, as I have already said. Yeah, so you can see that we had a support zone over here. So for quite some time the price was going down, and the general trend of the price has changed, and for now it's growing. And our 30 seconds, yeah, they weren't again enough for this compensation that has happened again, but you can still see that this is what's going on. And I think it's a perfect moment to stay on the same asset and maybe catch this moment of a compensation that's going on over here. It's a bit risky. As you can see, the market is wavering. We just have 30 seconds, and you can understand that we can be 1 second away from a win, but for now I think it was the great decision. And yes guys, we just had our successful deal for today. I think it was the third successful one. So even sometimes when you use this scalping strategy and you have a loss, you just have to understand that you have to keep your cool mind and make a quick decision, maybe even staying on the same asset and just making the right move this time. Yeah, so sometimes some bad things happen, but just stay cold and analyze everything that you see on the market. Okay, I think we're gonna make a couple more deals, and it's gonna be enough for today, so stay tuned. Okay friends, let's just keep trading, and let's make one more deals just so you can see this strategy in action again. Yeah, just let's make sure that we find a really promising situation over here that seems stable. Yeah, for now I think I'm gonna press sell over here, and I think that in this what we have like less than 20 seconds left up until this deal, we see that the general trend of the price is growing, but in this short time frame that we are using specifically in this strategy is helping us catching the profit in this little bounce backs. And as you can see, we have just made our winning deal for today. So I really hope that I could like in a very clear and understandable way explain you this strategy. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure that you like it on this platform as well. If you have any questions whatsoever, or if you want to just share your trading experience, make sure that you comment something down below. And I just wanted to remind you one more time that I have my absolutely free, very cool, very helpful and useful Telegram channel. Yeah, I give away their free signals and strategies and just share my general information about trading. So if you want to improve your skills, make sure that you join. The link is somewhere here. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you check out my other videos on the channel if you liked this one. I'm gonna see you very soon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.